Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily fix headphones not detected on your Nothing Phone 3. So first, test your headphones. So test them with another device to make sure that they're working, and try and inspect the charging port for any damage or debris if you're using an adapter. If not, then you guys can restart the phone. So basically press the power button and the volume up button at the same time. Now let's click restart. Let me do it again. And now our phone is rebooting. It should resolve any minor issues that are on the device because it just refreshes the entire system. And I'll see you guys once the phone is booted up. So now, after we restarted our phone, what we can do is we can try another pair of headphones. So we can rule out issues with our original ones by trying another pair. And after that, what we can do is we can check the audio settings. So go to settings, and here scroll a bit down until you guys see sound and vibration. Here make sure that you either select your headphones or try and switch them up. So here, let's say you connect your headphones and switch it up to your phone and back to the headphones. So here we need to go back and go to connected devices and go to see all. Sorry, not the see all, but the connection preferences. Here go to Bluetooth and make sure that Bluetooth is enabled. If it was disabled, then that might also be the issue. And what we can do as a last resort is we can check for software updates to fix any issues with connectivity and detectivity. So what we need to do is go back to the main page of the settings. Now here, scroll down until you guys see the system. And now we need to go over and click system updates. As you guys can see, I'm running the latest version and I recommend you guys doing the same. It's very important to run the latest version of your system, not only because of the security updates and security patches, but also to fix any glitches, including the headphones not being detected. So if none of that worked, then I would consider visiting a service center for a checkup because it's not normal. And that's basically it. So I hope this video helped you. If it did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.